Hello, y'all. I'm in Emeralds. So this is Jade, official only on YouTube. So today we're only letting Blue patient. This one is Blue. Blue so yapping. Just wait, and we will be tweeting him or her. Any other person will be her. So we already got that one on the ceiling. We already got it. And this ship won. So that's so cool. So today we will be trying to get in shift one, shift one in this animal hospital. Hey, recovering. Yeah, is this Blue? Is this Blue? I think it's Blue. Yeah, he's Blue. She's pale blue. Ay, balik. We will be checking them even if they are anomalies. Good if seriously fainted on the Kakainis. I hate it when this happens. Like, it's literally so annoying. You need to carry them all the way in the rooms. You just give them that and then they paint it. So this will be a long video. Your pale black. Your tail is blue, but you is all black. So no. Sorry, dude. Bruh. Unbelievable. I came all this way. Oh my god. Mm. Why there so many? Mm. Y'all comment down below if y'all comment down below if y'all want to challenge me. If y'all want to challenge me in animal hospital, whatever challenge there is, I will do it. They will stay forever. So peace. Oh look, we got Ratu. I think we should let him in, cause he will give us. Okay, I know. Only Blue patient, but he's black. But we need Ratu. He will reveal all and left the key here. So it's a bonus. Sorry guys. Talk to you there in room 8. Okay? I'm not good at that. Just count them because I always. Oh, oh, oh! This movie is legit. Kainis talaga tong headbanger. Kala ko pupunta dito sa hospital. Man, this will take a long time. Okay, so we got round form accounting, which I hate this guy, but she's blue. I mean, she's. Sheesh. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. And never mind. Di na talaga natapos yung mga ano. Iinis talaga ako dito sa role ng power. Di na talaga finish yung mga full sentence. Alright, Rora 2. Let's just skip this. Alright, we treated the patient. Pagkatali, akala ko ano. Ay, sa may room 7 pa pala. Kalimutan ko. Sabi 3 patient. Ay, nakamali pala ako. Nakamali pala ako. Ay, teka na yun ah. Teka na yun. Teka na yun. Teka na yun, dude. Green ka. It would take a long time too. Welcome, sir. Oh God, you're such a beautiful. Oh. 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 You a twitching anomaly. Oh, and a body shape anomaly. Twitching anomaly and body shape anomaly. But if they had a ghost photo, if they could no, they all come on through, cause you are so blue. Remember, challenge is challenge. You're gonna start a ritual. Not your reddish or pinkish. Look at this beautiful. No, no, I didn't saw him. I didn't saw him. I didn't saw him. You bet. Kainis man tong bed monster. Hindi ko siya nakita. Lahat na lang nga talaga. Kainis. Kainis na yung pero so annoying. Kainis siyang bed monster. Hindi ko siya nakita. Talaga. Hindi ko siya hindi nakita. Ang liit-liit na kasi sa may bed eh. Paano ko nakita? Paano hindi ko nakita yung ano niya? O ganito lang talaga ako. O ganito lang talaga ako. Nakuha niya ng mga ako. Grabe naman. Come on through. Wait, 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 wait. You're going to start a ritual. I knew it. Come on. Go. I know you're going. Huh? She did it. She did it. Alright, black hole. I forgot. Sorry, guys. I forgot. Only the void eyes can start the ritual. Oh my god. Up. Hold on. Hold on. Yep. 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 Let me check if you an anomaly. Yung normal. Yung normal. This is dark blue, guys. This literally dark blue. Room 3, come on in. Pwede ba later nilang i-treat yung mga patient? Gusto ko, kung na naman Rachu. Rachu, I'm go. My name is Rachu. What's your is fake entrance in? Yeah, I know. Don't be in room 8, okay? I might kill you too. Good, good, good. No. Mm-hmm. Hello, hello, my Rachu. Come on in. I say if the dead monster just appears behind me, come on to mission for the go. Back to begin. We will back to book to shake. Bully, bully, to be school way. It is sunny, it is so funny, but nubu sube bubi kube. Yeah, hindi ko. Oh my God, si Barney na naman. Okay lang yan, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan si Barney. Hmm? Hmm? Here you go. Kaya, talaga si Rachu. Lagi ka lang dito pupunta dito, Rachu. You know that? Pag hindi ka dito pumunta, people is hiding secrets. Whoa. 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 Stay alert. I will. I will. Lagi ka lang talaga nandito, Rachu, diba? Diba, guys? He is here. Blue siya? No, blue siya. No! No! Kainis! Bakit hindi ko nakita na blue siya? Yeah, I almost got eaten. That is one big, small frozen lips you got there. Talaga si Ratsu ay pupunta siya dito, right guys? At malamang ano siya. Talaga si Barney. Di pa nga ready, Barney ka. Iiyak na talaga ako, Barney. Wait lang. Wait lang ha, wait lang. Kakainis talaga si Barney. Alam mo yun, si Barney. Naiinis talaga ako sa kanya. Inuubos niya lahat ang mga coffee. Taga-restored ng ano ko. Of course, I'm the best. Yun na. Yan na. Yun, nice. Nice. Finally got the suitcase. Oh my goodness! I must accept you. I must accept you. Wait there, little buddy. Let me just through it. Let you. I want to run from the fountain there too. Y'all know that feelings. Gosh. I cannot understand why. Oh my god, it's so cute to be in. Kainis, kahit kailan nakagit ko na yung small anomaly. Kainis. I guess that's for today.